If you miss that first entry, don't go about crying, okay? Just wait for the market, okay? Wait for the market to come back inside of the tradable zone, then you can take another trade, right? So let's play this patiently. Here you don't rush to enter here. Hello traders, in this video I'm going to show you how you can trade the one candlestick strategy using CRT models to get reversal entries. This is going to be a clear guide with bar replay so that you guys can be able to see practically how you can apply this in your day-to-day trading. Funded Trader Markets is a platform that has come to revolutionize the funding trading industry by giving you the most affordable prop firm challenges that you can find out there. They have accounts ranging from 5k all the way to 200k. As you guys can see right here, they have accounts from 5k to 200k. You can be able to come here on these filters and then choose your account size. For example, if you choose a 50k account, then you can filter all these account types, which is the Nitro, Nitro Pro, Nitro X, Speed, 2-step standard, 2-step plus, instant funding, instant pro, and instant plus. You can just go to this website using the link in the description of this video, and you can come to this table and then you can fill in these filters according to what you want, and you'll see all the metrics and all of the requirements that you need to follow to get yourself funded. The fees are also listed here. You can just choose an account according to the account size that you want and that you can afford and get yourself started on your trading journey. Funded Trader Markets right now is running a promotion that you can take advantage of and get yourself going on your funded journey. Remember to use the link in the description, guys, to get amazing discounts, amazing offers as you trade with Funded Trader Markets. Guys, let's all go and get funded with Funded Trader Markets. Now, if this is your first time on the channel, please give a like on the video, subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any of the videos that I'll be posting out free of charge here on this platform. So guys, without wasting time, let's go onto the screen and I'll show you how to trade the one candlestick strategy effectively using CRT model. Let's get started, guys. I'm going to show you how you can trade the one candlestick strategy using bar replay. Now, what we are looking at here is a CRT model that is forming. You can see here that the previous candle is bullish and the next candle here, which is closing, is a bearish candle, and it's a high. The high of this bearish candle is above the high of the previous candle, but it has closed below this candle here, which means this is a red candle, this is a green candle, but this red candle's high is greater than this previous bullish candle's high. And also, based on the most recent video that I showed you guys on the channel, you can see that there is an imminent reversal here because this previous bullish candle's low, which was the most recent higher low of the candles, has been broken by this bearish candle. So now what we are going to do is we are going to draw the one candlestick markings on this red candle right here. So we are going to mark that candle's high right here, and then we're going to mark that candle's close, and then we're going to project this forward like this, okay? Project it forward like that, right? This is on a daily chart, and then we are going to move this to this side just one bit like that, so that we can give allowance for the next candle. So this is the tradable zone of this candle here, which we are going to use to trade the CRT model of the one candlestick strategy. Okay, so on a lower time frame, what we are going to do is we're going to be waiting for the next candle, which will be the next day's candle, to pull inside of this and then give us entries. Now this time we are going to be using Heikenashi charts. This is AUD USD, as you can see on the top here. So this is a daily chart. So what we are going to do after we've marked our tradable zone here, we're going to go down to the 15 minutes chart like this. Okay, so on the 15 minutes chart, of course the market has already pushed back a little bit inside on the 15 minutes chart. So what I want you to do on the 15 minutes chart is to just change the candlestick type to Heikenashi. Go to charts up here, or any platform you're using like TradingView, change this to Heikenashi. So when you change this to Heikenashi, you have these kind of candles which show a more consistent trend of the market. So with Heikenashi candles, you'll be able to see how to enter. Now I'm going to give you the entry criteria for Heikenashi candles using the one candlestick strategy, okay, and CRT model. So what you're doing here is you're looking for a CRT model on a higher time frame, which in this case is the daily time frame. Then you are marking that most recent closed red candle using the 1 candlestick markings, and then in its tradable zone you go down to the 15 minutes chart and look for entries. Now using Heikenashi, the type of entries you're going to find here are these. Make sure that the most recent 2 candles are bullish Heikenashi candles, they are green, then followed by at least 3 red Heikenashi candles in a downtrend for you to get a signal. Like now here, we could have gotten a trade here at these candles. Like if we take a trade here, if we take a short trade right here at the closing of that candle, and our stop loss just above that high, and then we'll look for, say, a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. As you guys can see, this is a winning trade. I don't have to even to play it for a long time. This is a winning trade using Heikenashi. But if you miss this entry, remember the 1 candlestick strategy gives you multiple entries. If you miss that first entry, don't go about crying, okay? Just wait for the market, okay? Wait for the market to come back inside of the tradable zone, then you can take another trade, right? So let's play this patiently. Here you don't enter, don't rush to enter here. Wait for the market to come back into the tradable zone like here, okay? It's come back inside of the tradable zone. Now you're going to wait for 3 consecutive red Heikenashi candles for you to get an entry. Let's wait and see if we get 3. That's the first one, that's the second one, and that's the third one. So here we have 3 Heikenashi red candles. Let's see if this trade wins. Let's see. You can see this trade goes easily into a win. You can see this becomes a winning trade. Now with Heikenashi, because it shows you the trend, you can actually even hold this and get a 1 to 3, or target this most recent low here and target that for a 1 to 4, 1 to 5, like you can see here. This can help you with your prop firm challenges. When you're trying to pass your challenge, you can see you still win this trade. So guys, I wanted to show you this quick video to show you how you can trade the Heikenashi entries and 1 candlestick strategy using the CRT model. If you've liked this video, guys, give a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and let's push forward, guys. Use the link in the description of this video to sign up with Funded Trader Market. Get yourself funded today and get your trading journey going to another level. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, peace and out.